The 6-week abortion restriction is upheld by Iowa's highest court. A legislation stating that the state can impose a ban on most abortions after around 6 weeks of pregnancy has been upheld by Iowa's top court. The law forbids abortions whenever a fetus or embryo exhibits early cardiac activity. However, there are several exceptions, including in cases of rape, incest, fetal deformities, and situations in which the mother's life is in jeopardy. The ruling on Friday overturns a temporary injunction against the bill, which the State Assembly first approved in July 2023. In a 4-3 decision, the Iowa Supreme Court dismissed Planned Parenthood's complaint, holding that the state constitution's fundamental rights are not violated by the legislation. According to the ruling, which was posted on the court's website, restrictions on abortion are only unlawful when the state is unable to provide a rational basis for the legislation. The statute was rationally related to the state's legitimate interest in protecting unborn life, according to Justice Matthew McDermott, who wrote the majority opinion. In her dissenting opinion, Chief Justice Susan Christensen noted that the majority strips Iowa women of their bodily autonomy and that it ignores the advancements in women's rights that have occurred since then in favor of the male-dominated history and traditions of the 1800s. Governor of Iowa, Kim Reynolds, who first approved the 2023 legislation, expressed her approval of the ruling in a statement. She praised the court for sustaining the will of the people of Iowa and declared, "There is no right more sacred than life, and nothing more worthy of our strongest defense than the innocent unborn." The Iowa Capitol Dispatch reports that the state had previously outlawed abortions performed beyond 20 weeks of pregnancy. Since the 1973 Roe v. Wade ruling, which revoked the federal guarantee of the right to an abortion, was reversed by the U.S. Supreme Court, Iowa is the state that has recently tightened its abortion regulations. Since then, as access to abortion is restricted in increasingly conservative jurisdictions, a patchwork of regulations pertaining to the practice has arisen. According to the Guttmacher Institute, Texas, Alabama, Kentucky, Louisiana, and 13 other U.S. states have complete bans on abortion as of June.